Mamimitas ako ng kalamansi. Ang dami ng kalamansi. At nahihinog na kaya kailangan i-harvest. Sayang naman kung malalaglag lang, di ba? So, pitasin natin itong mga to. Daming bunga. Gagawin kong kalamansi juice and yung iba, bigay natin sa mga kaibigan natin. Dami niyang bunga. Iba yellow na. Yung ibang tao bumibili ng kalamansi. Kami napakarami namin kalamansi. Kaya, I'm just gonna give to my friends some of this. This is good for the soup, when you're marinating meat, also for dipping. If you don't have lime, the regular lime, Tahitian lime or key lime, you can use this. This is Calamondin lime or Asian lime. Siguro makakapitas ako dito mga 50 pounds. May tatlo kaming puno. We have 3 calamansi lime and we cannot consume all of that. Lagyan na. Malalaki oh. Pagkatapos nito, I'm gonna harvest the chili and the Tahitian lime. Iba sayad na sa lupa. Ayun no, ang baba. Sobrang, it's heavy already. There's so much food. A lot of branches hanging, too heavy. Uwi ako ng Pilipinas, gang. I'm gonna take some calamansi there. I'm gonna bring lemon, calamansi lime, Tahitian lime. I know it's very expensive in the Philippines. So I'm gonna take some of this when I take my vacation. Lalagay ko sa luggage ko. Oh, the lemon has so much fruit.